In 2019, the BJP gave a shock to a Trinamool Congress. This time round, also they plan to do the same, riding on three big issues: corruption, the anti-woman mindset of the Mamata Banerjee government, and a doddering India alliance.
Mamata Banerjee too is also not ready to give any space to BJP. She's herself doing aggressive campaign. She's coming up with Lokhir Bhandar, and she feels she's trying to show that she's only the one who feels for women. And also she's trying to play the victim card of ED and CBI on opposition as it's happening on them.
But what is it that the Bengali voters are thinking?
We will go out, we will travel in Bengal, we will talk to people and give you the voices of the people and the netas.
टीएमसी सरकार ने संदेश खाली के गुनहगारों को बचाने के लिए पूरी ताकत लगा दी।
বিজেপি হাসছে আর গরিবদের উপর অত্যাচার হচ্ছে, এই তো বিজেপির কাজ, সারা দেশটাকে জ্বালিয়ে দিয়েছে।
महिलाओं पर अत्याचार होता रहा, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के गुंडे अत्याचार करते रहे।
The huge cache of arms found on polling day in Sandesh Khali has given the BJP fresh ammunition against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The Saffron Party, which is hoping to end the ruling TMC's reign, has a twin formula for victory: accusing the state government of shielding the corrupt and having scant regard for women's rights.
संदेश खाली की महिलाओं के साथ जो हुआ वो टीएमसी के अत्याचार की पराकाष्ठा थी। अब बीजेपी ने संकल्प लिया है कि वो संदेश खाली के दोषियों को सजा दिलवा कर ही रहेगा। सालों तक आपके नाक के नीचे महिलाओं पर अत्याचार होता रहा, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के गुंडे अत्याचार करते रहे। जब इसको पकड़ने गए, ईडी पर पथराव किया, जब हाई कोर्ट ने कहा तब सरेंडर किया।
BJP is showing the mirror to Mamata Banerjee through Rekha Patra. The woman who led the protests against now arrested Trinamool Congress leader Sheikh Shah Jahan. Rekha Patra is the BJP's candidate from Sandesh Khali.
ये जो जंग शुरू हो गया उसके बाद में तुम सबके पास जा रहे हो, पर तुम तो पॉलिटिशियन हो नहीं, उसमें दिक्कत नहीं आ रहा है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रहा है, असुविधा होती है ना हमारा जो समस्याটা যে প্রবলেম।
I'm new in politics, but the point is, I fought for the women here in Sandesh Khali because there was problems. Because there were problems, our lands were grabbed, women were tortured, and now seeing me, others will also join the movement, as there are other Sandesh Khalis in Bengal, where women are afraid to come out, and seeing me, they'll also come out.
এই গরিব বাংলার মানুষরা এটাই ওনাদের অভ্যস্ত।
For the women of Sandesh Khali who say they were tortured by TMC strongmen, this election offers them a chance at payback.
ये जो रेखा पात्र कैंडिडेट है ये जीतेगी, और आप लोग किस तरीके से तैयारी कर रहे हैं वोट का?
जीतेंगे, 100% जीतेंगे। अगर जीतना ही पड़ेगा, उसके जीत के ऊपर हमारा लाइफ टिके हुए है, कुछ भी हो जाए जीतना ही पड़ेगा। हमारा लाइफ उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है, उसकी जीत के ऊपर हमारा लाइफ डिपेंड है।
ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि लाइफ डिपेंड है?
इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि अगर बाई चांस, बाई मिस्टेक, अगर हमारा इस एरिया से अगर कैंडिडेट हार गया, रेखा हमारा बहन अगर हार गए, तो ये लोग हमें जान से मार देंगे। हम इनकी पापी हाथ से मरना नहीं चाहते हैं। बेशक हम सुसाइड कर लेंगे, लेकिन इनकी पापी हाथ से जो शासक दल अभी है, चोर है। ये दीदी का जो राज है, ये चोर है, पल पल में चोरी करता है, पल पल में झूठ बोलते हैं। तो हम ऐसे झूठे इंसान की सहारे हाथ में मरने नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हमने आंदोलन तो हमने शुरू किए थे, हमारा यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था, तो ये लोग हमें छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
आप गए थे नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मिलने, हाँ। क्या बोले थे और क्या वो मैसेज आप दे रहे हैं सबको?
हमने उनके पैर पकड़ के रोए थे बहुत, हमारे साथ जो भी हमारे बहन गए थे 5 पैर पकड़ के रोए थे बहुत कि सर हमें बचा लीजिए, हमें आपके ऊपर बहुत उम्मीद है, हम बहुत उम्मीद लेके आए हैं सर आपके पास। तो सर हमें बताया, हमारे सर पे हाथ रखा, हमें आशीर्वाद दिया, हमें माँ दुर्गा की स्वरूप बताया है, शक्ति की रूप बताया है, हमें पैर छूने के लिए मना किया, लेकिन हम बंगाली ट्रेडिशनल है, हमें बड़ों की पैर छू के ही आशीर्वाद लेना पड़ता है। तो इसी वजह से हमने सर ने हमें बोला था कि आप आश्वास रहिए, आपके संदेशखाली की माँ बहन सब आश्वास बताइए आप कि हम उनकी पास है, उनकी साथ है, उनकी साथ रहेंगे और उनकी रक्षा करेंगे।
क्या आप लोग अभी इस बार वोट ठीक ठाक से दे पाएंगे? पहले क्या होता था और इस बार क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं?
হ্যাঁ এবারে তো 100% আমাদের বিশ্বাস আমরা ঠিকঠাক
We were never able to vote because we were intimidated at home, and if we went to vote, then at booth were intimidated by the TMC goons. After meeting PM Modi, we felt comfortable and confident, and now we will go and vote.
যে আমরা আমাদের নিজেদের ভোটটা আমরা নিজেরাই
क्या अभी भी डर दिखा रहा है?
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই আমরা যেখানে যাচ্ছি
We demand for our right to vote. We are still intimidated by the TMC goons who are left back after arrest of Shah Jahan Sheikh. If we are not allowed to vote this time, then there will be a bigger movement, as this is a fight for our lives.
প্রত্যেকটা মা বোনকে বলছি।
But the TMC rejects criticism over the violence in Sandeshkhali.
Mamata Banerjee, who has taken instant action, and there have been arrests. There have been arrests. Even the land grabbing things, all those deals, etc., whatever has happened, is being looked into. All those complaints are being looked into from the administration. Land will be returned. It is something we have taken head on. And as I said, we believe in women empowerment. For this, it's sadly so that BJP has taken it up as a political issue. You think they're really concerned?
Corruption is another issue which the Prime Minister and BJP are hoping to cash in on. The Calcutta High Court directed the CBI to probe the role of West Bengal government officials in an alleged teacher recruitment scam. According to the BJP, this was the final nail in the coffin for Mamata Banerjee.
करप्शन संदेशखाली क्या मेन मुद्दा है इस बार बंगाल में?
सब मुद्दा है। करप्शन तो सालों से चल रहा है। ये सरकार जब से आई तब से घोटाला चल रहा है, जैसे कि पिछले कांग्रेस सरकार दिल्ली में किया था। ये लोग कर रहे हैं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी घोटाला, बाप रे, इतने सारे नेता लिप्त हैं, वो तो बहुत बड़ा है। यहाँ की रीढ़ तोड़ दिया, यहाँ की इकोनॉमी को ख़त्म कर दिए, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ख़त्म है, और लूटते लूटते महिलाओं का भी लूटा जा रहा है।
Mahua Moitra, TMC's Krishnanagar candidate, is the poster girl for corruption as per the BJP. Moitra was the sitting MP from Krishnanagar who was expelled from Lok Sabha for allegedly accepting cash and gifts from businessman Darshan Hiranandani, with whom she shared her login credentials and password. After showing initial reluctance, Mamata Banerjee put her weight fully behind Mahua Moitra, which is why it's important for the TMC that she wins by a huge margin.
There are times where the vote is divided on the basis of religion. This is a minority region.
That is something the BJP has brought in. That poison is something the BJP has brought in. It's not something that we have done.
So
this kind of, I keep asking, oh Mahua, because you have a 38%, 40% minority, that's why yours is Ma bhalo to. Bhalo achen to. That's why you win, and I feel like laughing because as you can see, can you tell among these people standing, you have 2 Muslims and 3 Hindus, then 2 Muslims, everybody is living in the same area. How can you, when you make a road, say only a Muslim can walk on it or only a Hindu can walk on it? So our plank is development. When we give Lucky Bhandar, we give it to every woman between the age of 25 and 60. We don't give it based on religion. So we don't play religion politics. It's a Ma bhalo to.
Well, how much confident Mahua Moitra is and about the win?
You are seeing my constituency. This is an organic roadshow. Nobody has been busting. People are coming out of their thing. They know me by name, by face. I've spent 5 years here. I've done development. Ma bhalo achen to? Oh ma, আশীর্বাদ করবেন। কি? ভালো তো? মা আশীর্বাদ করবেন।
If you're by chance behind the bars.
If I'm behind the bars, like I said, if I was going to win by a lakh, if they do anything ridiculous and stupid, then the people will get so angry they'll double my margin.
So you're confident.
Of course I'm confident. It's not a question of winning.
Is it super confident or confident?
No. It's not a question of confidence. I'm very sure.
The BJP has fielded Ranima Rajmata Amrita Roy against Mahua Moitra in Krishnanagar. Ranima says the call from Prime Minister Narendra Modi was a divine moment in her life.
How is it, handling, the Rajbari and also, so many properties and also the heritage of the Raj Bhavan, and now going to the people, trying to become people's representative?
Well, you can see people all around and I mix around very easily with them. And they connect easily also and I connect easily. Like while I was sitting there talking a few issues out, so they were there. So it's not difficult for me because when I got married to my husband, Shomish Chandra Roy, I knew it was a big responsibility. So at that age also, I was young when I...
What age?
I was just out of high secondary.
Okay.
Not the results. The results were not out yet. So I had said to a paper called Statesman that maybe I've married Shomish Chandra Roy, but I've married the people of Nadia as well.
Mr. Modi has called him, and you are one of the very, very few candidates with whom Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, he has called you and spoken with you, and he has also said about the money that he is thinking, that how it can be. What was that feeling, or if you share the experience?
It was divine. Just divine, because I never thought a person of the PM stature, that is Narendra Modi, would speak to me, because I'm just a very ordinary person. Maybe I am very, very spiritual. I feel my policy is that if I cannot do any good, I will not do any harm. I'm enlightened spiritually. So, but a person like him, it's a great feeling, and very honestly, he spoke to me as if he knew me for ages, and I knew him for ages. So there was nothing called hesitation.
Coming up after the break, we drive to one of the last remaining bastions of Congress in Bengal and look at the inherent contradictions in the INDIA bloc.
One of the biggest challenges for the India Front Alliance began right from over here, because this is where the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra entered the leg. But there was a problem which the Mamata Banerjee government and the party always had with Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. She always saw him, and he was in fact the architect of the Congress's alliance with the left. And this is something which was unacceptable to her, which is why she made only one demand for the alliance with the Congress party, and that was get rid of Adhir Da. That was not acceptable to Rahul Gandhi. But if we look at the larger national picture, as the India Front emerges as a contender, the biggest challenge will be to show to the voters that hum saath saath hain. That may be little difficult, and the BJP certainly is taking advantage of that. The more Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary attacks Mamata Banerjee, the more his future is secure. The fact that TMC has put up Yusuf Pathan from here to capture the minority population, which is over 50% in Murshidabad and Behrampur, goes on to show that she means business this time round. But what does it mean really for the India Front Alliance? And how does it really help the BJP? That's exactly the mood we've tried to capture from the ground.
Behrampur exemplifies the doddering state of the INDIA bloc. Barely had Rahul Gandhi's yatra stepped foot in Bengal when Mamata Banerjee decided that TMC will fight alone. The object of her ire was Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, the Congress leader who has been the MP from Behrampur since 1999.
The Congress leader is saying to vote for either BJP or Congress. See how they are sold. Two BJP leaders came to campaign in Behrampur. They did not say anything about him.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is all set to fight anti-incumbency by accusing Mamata Banerjee of persecuting her rivals and succumbing to the BJP out of fear.
What my allegation is against Mamata Banerjee, that since the beginning she was a dithering of forging alliance with other parties. The conglomeration named after India, it was proudly told by Mamata Banerjee that it was conceived by her. The name was coined by her.
It wasn't?
It was coined by her. She was proudly stating before the media that the word India and the name India, the incarnation of India was coined by her.
That's correct.
But however, when the time has come to make it a formidable opposition alliance, she followed the path of Nitish Kumar. So,
But you know, you've also
before-
called her the
no,
B team of the...
before the existence of India, my position was loud and clear. Here in Bengal, we are the victims of persecution, atrocities and violences perpetrated by ruling dispensation. So since the day one, it is very clear what is the stand of the Congress party in Bengal. There was no hanky-panky of the Congress party in Bengal, that we are simply the persecuted tribe in Bengal. And the persecution perpetrated by none other than the ruling dispensation.
But TMC is not letting Adhir rest easy for even a second. Behrampur's Muslim population is more than 50%. So in a surprise move, the TMC fielded former cricketer Yusuf Pathan to try and end Adhir's reign.
Trinamool Congress is very anti-Modi and Modi has been your chief minister. दोनों में तालमेल कैसे बिठाओगे?
अभी देखिए, दोनों चीज़ अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं. वो हमारे सीएम थे, अभी प्रधानमंत्री भी है, तो मैं रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ उनका. और जहाँ पे बंगाल की बात है, तो ममता बनर्जी ने यहाँ पे लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छे काम किए हैं. स्पेशली विमेन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए काम किए हैं. जो विमेन को, जो लड़कियों को एजुकेशन के लिए मोटिवेट किया है उन्होंने, तो वो बहुत अच्छा किया है. प्लस एक एज के बाद यहाँ पे होता था कि भाई उनकी शादी कर दी जाती थी, लेकिन उसको भी थोड़ा और लंबा करने के लिए उन्होंने 12th के बाद उनको एक अमाउंट दिया और कहा कि भाई आप एजुकेशन पे ध्यान दीजिए और एजुकेशन कंप्लीट कीजिए अपना. तो ये एक अच्छी बात है कि और ममता बनर्जी एक ऐसी सीएम है जो पिछले 3 टर्म से है और हिंदुस्तान में एक लौती सीएम जो वुमेन सीएम है, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Caught between a firebrand Mamata, an aggressive BJP and a confused Congress are the people of Bengal. They say their hopes are rarely addressed.
এখন দেখো আপনি তো জানেন ইলেকশন হচ্ছে.
Elections are happening. Several netas from different parties are making promises. What do you want? What is the real issue that you will vote on?
কি হচ্ছে ইস্যু যেটা নিয়ে আপনি ভোট দেবেন?
আমরা চাই বাবা
We want good law and order. We don't want trouble. Whatever happens should be according to the law. Those who have not yet got amenities must get the same. People should get their rights.
মানে আমি তো একজন নিরপেক্ষ
পার্টিরা আজকাল মহিলা
Do you think that the politicians talk about empowering women only during elections? When you go out to vote, what is the main issue you will think you will vote on?
ভোটের সময় মহিলা নিয়ে কথা বলে.
বিশ্বাস হয় না, তবু হচ্ছে তো এরকম.
আপনি যখন ভোট দিতে যান তখন আপনি কি চান?
Want jobs for the unemployed youth. Want enough business opportunities for the youth.
দাদা আপনাকেও জিজ্ঞেস করেন, আপনি তো
You have seen several elections. Many politicians have made several promises. When you go to vote, do you still trust the netas?
উপর এখন বিশ্বাস রয়ে গেছে আর কি চান আপনি?
He's 76 and I'm 66. We won't vote this time. We have voted 4 times. Others getting benefits, not us.
এবার কিন্তু কারাপশন নিয়ে একটা বড় ব্যাপার.
Corruption is a big issue this election. Political parties are naming 1 or 2 people and calling them corrupt. Do you think the corruption that's happening, can that end?
আর ইলেকশনের সময় সবাই কারাপশনের কথা বলে, তারপরে যে কি সেই.
Netas take it up during election. They only talk about welfare and removing corruption during elections. No change takes place. Those who are corrupt remain so.
Our next stop was Bolpur. Here too, the BJP has a corruption narrative to corner the TMC. This was once the fiefdom of Anubrata Mondal, the TMC strongman who is now in jail over the cattle smuggling scam. In 2019, Mondal's clout helped TMC make big gains in the region. This is the party's first election without him.
As we wrap up our tour of Bengal, what is it that I found out? The key issues for the people over here is development, better job opportunities, and also having to look at a better life. But many of them complained that what instead was happening is that the political parties and the politicians were indulging in diversionary tactics. Right over here in Bolpur, which is considered to be the fiefdom of Anubrata Mondal, he was one of the reasons why the Trinamool Congress did well the last time round. He's now been arrested under cattle smuggling scam. But will this affect the TMC or will it help their political opponents? That's what we tried to find out.
But at the TMC office in Bolpur, the mood is upbeat and hopeful.
Anubrata's control and his organization continues, and there's been no charge sheet, and he's not guilty. It is just a political witch hunt.
At a small cafe in Shantiniketan, the youth are unmoved by the politics. They hope for better days for Bengal.
What is it that you're looking for? What is it that you want your country to do for you, or most importantly, our politicians, because they are the ones who are running the government?
There was so many issues like women securities and education we are facing. Like,
is women's issue a issue now in Bengal, would you say?
Yeah, I think so.
At one point of time, Bengal was considered to be very safe for women.
Yeah, it's safe, but
things are changing.
I think
I do find a lot of Bangalis, for example, in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and that far also. Why do you think that's happened? Bengaluru, yeah.
There are no jobs in Kolkata anymore, and even the stream I'm studying foreign language. All the jobs are outside Bengal. There are no jobs in Bengal, and the ones which are there, like stay at home, the companies are not offering. Actually, the headquarters of a lot of important leading modern institutions and companies like Amazon and everything, it's not here. It's all in Bangalore.
They don't want to open it in Bengal, you're saying?
They're not opening, so we all have to shift to Bangalore.
You have seen Sandesh Khali. So, do you think that it's going to affect the voters? If yes, why? If no, why?
Ma'am, it's definitely going to affect the voters, because what happened in Sandesh Khali, it is the last thing that should happen in a democracy. Like systematically raping, capturing land, corruption, corruption in the ration case, so many things have happened. So I think it's high time and people will react. Like there is a limit till people will...
what do you feel?
I think that the information, all kinds of information is very afar. I am here sitting in a room. I have no information, I have no feedback coming, I have no investigation, no report, nothing that I can look at and actually comment on. All I have is reaction of the locals there.
So we are back after crossing through the state, but what is it that we saw?
It's absolutely Kurukshetra. Both the parties are fighting as if they are fighting the battle of Kurukshetra. We'll have to wait for 4th June.
Well, for the BJP, it is a high-stakes battle, because if they want to fulfill their vision of 400 Par, then they have to better their performance from last time round in the state.
On the other hand, for Mamata Banerjee too, this is a very, very important battle, because it will give signal for 2026 assembly polls in Bengal.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.